our sausages fully cooked in the middle and looking like that. Not burnt. Check out this method. Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to us. On the menu today, we're going to be cooking some sausages. Had, again, quite a lot of emails about this, and a big problem we certainly have in Northern Europe or cold countries when we're barbecuing them for a start is we're useless at barbecuing. So what normally happens is the barbecue comes out, the caveman comes out, makes a big fire, chucks sausages on, completely black on the outside, raw in the middle, everyone gets sick. Now this is a boil and burn, I call it. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to put them into some water first, gently boil them, take them out, pat them dry, and then we just need to colour them. It's really simple and they taste great this way as well. Let's do it. Okay, so I've got some water here. You just need enough water just to kind of cover them. This is cold. I'm just going to drop them in. Now, some people would boil these in beer or a cider to give an extra flavour. But I've got a really nice flavoured pork sausage there, so I don't want to add any more, just water. What I want to do is, once that gets to boiling point, I want to turn it down nice and low, so it's just on a very slow rolling boil. And for this size sausage, I'm going to do them for about 6 to 7 minutes. It's really simple and really worth it doing this method. Okay, so I've just turned the heat off on those. 5-6 minutes. Let's grab them, get them out. Then all we need to do now is get some kitchen roll, paper towel, whatever you call it, and just pat them dry. Obviously discard that. And there you go. Yeah, pat them dry. Then we're going to get them back in this pan with a touch of oil and we're going to cook them off. Okay, so I've got a touch of oil in there. You don't need too much. And I've got this on nice and low. Now, very important that you dry these sausages, like I said, with the paper towel. And in they go. Blow, slow, turn them over, get them to the colour that you want, and you already know, you're ensured that, you know, they're cooked in the middle already. Mine are going to be about 4 or 5 minutes. Just a little tip for you. Don't do that. Don't pierce them at all, because what you're going to do is let all the juices out. I don't know if you can see, but there's some lovely juice and moisture in there. If you start prodding them, that is just all coming out. Dry sausage, no good. Okay, off goes the heat. These are great for me. For years and years, I never boiled them and I put them straight in the pan and ended up all kind of blackened because I wanted to cook them inside. I was also prodding them with a fork because I just thought that's what you've done. And now discovered this method and I love it, and it works great every time. So these sausages will be lovely in a nice sandwich, wouldn't they? With some HP sauce or a brown sauce, of course. Or part of a lovely full English breakfast. But yeah, get them to the colour that you want. But yeah, this method really does work. They're juicy. They kind of look a little bit more like you see on adverts, like less the black ones that we made all the time. Well, I did for years. But yeah, wonderful. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.